The factory recently underwent a dramatic transformation and is now regarded as a smart factory, which showcases the future of digital manufacturing. But what is a smart factory? Smart Factory is an internal program covering all the processes of the site. By utilising the power of EcoStruxure ecosystem, the factory collects data from sensors and machines or operators on the production line, allowing them to raise issues, access information and declare output of the lines. We are ahead in meeting our goals of becoming carbon neutral thanks to digital transformation and EcoStruxure application.